So welcome back to our show Youth Connect. पिछली बार हमने सोशल मीडिया के बारे में कुछ बातें की ऋतु जी से. We will continue doing that. Welcome ऋतु जी.
Thank you. ओम शांति.
ओम शांति. तो हम बात कर रहे थे पर्पस की. आपने बहुत ब्यूटीफुल बात बताई थी that we should have a purpose. और जो पर्पस होगा तो हमें उसके लिए त्याग whatever थोड़ा सा अपना छोटा छोटा छोड़ना पड़ेगा for a long term happiness, right? तो उसी से जुड़ा हुआ मैं आपको ये पूछना चाहती हूँ. बहुत क्वेश्चंस आते हैं एक्चुअली पेरेंट्स के भी एंड इवन चिल्ड्रन, इवन यंगस्टर्स. लॉकडाउन के टाइम पर हम सब बिकॉज और कुछ काम था नहीं करने को तो हम सब बहुत एडिक्टेड हो गए. बहुत सारा टीवी पे प्रोग्राम्स एंड यूट्यूब एंड वी ऑल नो वी वॉच्ड दैट एंड वी हैव गॉट एडिक्टेड एंड नाउ इट बिकम्स. अभी तो जैसे नॉर्मल लाइफ स्टार्ट हो रही है बट कहीं ना कहीं वो एडिक्शन नहीं छूट रही है. तो मुझे आपसे ये क्वेश्चन पूछना है कि हमें लगता है कि ये एंटरटेनमेंट है, हमें लगता है कि हम रिलैक्स्ड हो रहे हैं कि अब थक के आए हैं तो रिलैक्स करने के लिए थोड़ा देख लेते हैं. लेकिन क्या वो एक्चुअल रिलैक्सेशन है? I wanted to ask you that.
That's a beautiful question. And I'm sure कहीं ना कहीं जब यूथ या बड़े भी जब हम इतना ज़्यादा सोशल मीडिया पर डिपेंडेंट हो जाते हैं तब वो खुद भी सोचते होंगे कि I don't know if I should use it so much. कहीं ना कहीं उनके भी मन में ये बात ज़रूर आती होगी. And it's great that through this platform, we've brought up this and we are discussing this. So one question that I would like to ask the youth, जैसे ही suppose मैंने कुछ अपनी social media site पे अपने पेज पर डाला, so let's say I have a closed set of friends who are also there with me on that social media site. उसके बाद जैसे हम डालते हैं हमें लगता है कि okay I'm getting I'm being entertained, I like doing it, I like using social media और मैंने डाल दिया. But is it really entertaining you? Because suppose your friend likes it, okay? Few of your friends like it, but somebody whom you thought would like did not like it. How would you feel then?
Obviously I'm not going to feel good about it.
It's not going to give us that comfort, right? What I will start thinking is this time they did not like, next time
even I'm not
going to like it, right? So somewhere entertainment के नाम पर हम अपने को कितना deplete कर रहे हैं. Our self-image is somewhere determined by how many people like, appreciate me on social media. अब social media की एक reality ये है. Suppose, for example, if I'm going through some bad times in my life, maybe my personal, relationships is going through some, turmoil. I'm not going to put that on the social media.
Correct.
Right? वहाँ पे मैं क्या डालूंगी? कोई अच्छी memory जो है वो मैं यहाँ डालूंगी. Now this other person who is constantly looking at what I am posting will start thinking अच्छा देखो उनकी लाइफ तो कितनी अच्छी है, मेरी ही लाइफ. Because all of us have some set of challenges. हम सबकी लाइफ में कोई ना कोई challenges हैं और कहीं ना कहीं how is it influencing my state of mind? One is my self-esteem is dependent on how people are responding to what I am doing. Second, मैं जब औरों को देखती हूँ ऐसा लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं मेरी लाइफ में ही इतनी challenges हैं. I've also seen youngsters getting into depression just because they see everybody around is okay, I am not okay. Jabki reality is all of us are going through some set of challenges in our lives.
Yes,
right?
Yes.
But that is not something that we see around in social media. Life is really not happening. Reality जो है life की is not that social media. Reality is the connect that we have with people in person.
Yeah.
So, I'm not saying that we don't use it. I use it myself and I don't see any harm. But depending my self-esteem, my state of mind being controlled by social media.
So जैसे आपने कहा कि हाँ जैसे हमने कोई एक समझो अपनी पिक्चर डाल दी and we want people to like it obviously. बट आप बहुत ध्यान ये रखना है, आप यूज कीजिए, कोई बात नहीं, यूज कीजिए, लेकिन फिर आपकी खुशी उस चीज पे डिपेंडेंट ना हो. आपने डाली क्योंकि आपको खुशी मिल रही है डालने में, आपने पोस्ट कर दिया, बट आफ्टर दैट जस्ट फॉरगेट इट. लोगों ने लाइक किया या नहीं किया आपको ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आई थिंक वो जब स्टेट ऑफ माइंड हो जाता है देन इट बिकम्स दैट यू इट्स नॉट कंट्रोलिंग यू.
Beautiful, yeah.
So I think there we need to balance.
Absolutely. In fact there are if I have to talk about state of mind and social media, so one is, people who would say, I don't care a bit, I'm okay, so it doesn't impact me. So somewhere such people are very close to feedback also. जैसे जो हो रहा है मुझे मेनू की, सन्नू की type. Okay, so one is that set of people. There are other set of people जो कहेंगे हर छोटी या बड़ी चीज में they will get influenced. Their state of mind would be कभी खुशी कभी गम, depending on how people are responding.
Correct.
So either of these states are not very healthy state of mind.
Okay.
A balanced state of mind where I have, I can be in that self-esteem.
So not care attitude is also not good.
Not care attitude में क्या होता है, कहीं ना कहीं we become very close to feedback.
अच्छा.
Because I think I'm fine. I don't care what people think about me. And then what I do is I become so close that there could be something which could add value to me. मैं उसको भी resist कर लेता हूँ.
You're not open to that also.
Yes.
Okay.
So a balanced life, Dali. We've put something, but balance.
Yeah.
Neither do I get very elevated and think very highly about myself जब सब कुछ अच्छा respond कर रहे, ना मैं बहुत low feel करूँ जब कोई respond ना भी करे. My self-esteem, and that self-esteem is really not what is there on social media. My self-esteem is who I am. It's how loving I am. It's how, compassionate I am. It is how meaningful I'm creating my life to be.
Correct.
How meaningful I'm making my life so then I can add value to other people. That is what will create meaningful life.
Beautiful, beautiful. I think there, your meditation helps you
Absolutely.
Doing that.
Yeah. Because it connects us to our own selves, our inner values.
So you're not dependent on all these things. Not on social media, not on people, not on their appreciation as well as criticisms.
Absolutely.
Nothing really affects you.
So
that's very beautiful.
And in fact, when we are in that state where we are not affected by outside things, we're able to empower ourselves so beautifully कि हम औरों को भी offer कर सकते हैं in relationships. Today क्या, what is happening today is क्योंकि हम मेंटली इतने डिप्लीट हो जाते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कभी खुशी कभी गम वाला जो मूड रहता है, उससे हम इतना डिप्लीट हो जाते हैं. वो एनर्जी, वो पावर जो हम अपने में स्ट्रेंथ फील करना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि वो नहीं करते हैं तो हम औरों को भी फिर कहीं ना कहीं वो डिप्लीटेड एनर्जी ही सेंड करते. कोई मुझसे बात करने आता है, मैं ठीक मूड में नहीं हूँ, और फिर हमने कैसे वैसे ही रिएक्ट भी कर दिया. बट समवेयर वेयर आई एम स्टेबल, आई एम कंफर्टेबल, आई एम एबल टू ऑफर मोर टू पीपल अराउंड एज वेल.
So it becomes a social responsibility also.
Absolutely.
So I think we're all social, we're all social beings, and we need to be responsible. So we need to take care of what we are watching, what we are doing.
And then wouldn't those beautiful relationships that we develop become a source of entertainment for us, become a source of happiness for us?
Yes.
तो ये नहीं कि हम ना use करें.
That's real beauty. That's the real happiness we will get.
Because that's where life is really happening.
तो जितना टाइम हम सोशल मीडिया पर स्पेंड कर रहे हैं, उतना ही टाइम अगर हम किसी फ्रेंड के साथ या किसी फैमिली मेंबर के साथ बात करते करते स्पेंड करेंगे, वो आप सोचिए लॉन्ग टर्म हैप्पीनेस देने वाला है.
Because those are the people who will stay with you in your difficult times also. They are the ones who will support you, be there for you. जो रियल है वही तो साथ देंगे. हम कहाँ पे खुशी ढूंढ रहे हैं जो शायद रियल में नहीं है. Right? We're not saying don't use it, but again, is life really happening there? Not really. Life is happening here, with people around us. और हम उनसे डिस्कनेक्ट होकर वहाँ इतना मुड़ गए हैं. So somewhere a balance. Use this, but don't forget that we are real human beings and we have real connections with people around, and that's what makes our lives very beautiful, which then becomes a source of happiness.
Very nice, lovely. So I think invest in your relationships. That's what you want to say.
Yes. Yeah. Invest in ourselves so that investment in relationships will
automatically happen.
Yes.
So invest in ourselves so that automatically it goes into the relationship.
Absolutely.
Wow. So that's a beautiful solution. Thank you so much, Rituji.
You're welcome.
So I think we've understood a lot on social media. क्या देखना है, क्या नहीं देखना, किस पे dependent होना है. So let's not get that control over us. Let's control it. We've made it, we've created it. तो हम क्यों उस पे इतना उससे dominate हो रहे हैं? So I think we need to understand that and we need to balance it. तो बहुत अच्छे से हमने आज इसको समझा. Thank you so much. आप अपने सवाल स्क्रीन पर दिए गए WhatsApp नंबर पर भेज सकते हैं या ईमेल भी कर सकते हैं. तब तक के लिए let's connect with our show Youth Connect. Om Shanti.